Hello there. My name is Joey Denson, and I am the Client Development Manager at RFMS. And I want to welcome you to this week's RFMS Tip of the Week. Today, we are going to look at how to perform a search for a check number a client used to pay on multiple orders. This allows us to be more efficient in our research and provide better customer service to the client. So let's take a look at how the initial check number is recorded within RFMS, and then how to search by that check number. And we will do this by going into the accounting module and specifically looking at the multiple payment option. So once we're in accounting, we'll go to accounts receivable, multiple payment. And let's look up the account of the customer whose check we just received. And you'll notice for this customer, ACD Builders, they owe us for multiple invoices, but they are only paying a portion against each of these three. And they've specified to us how much they want to pay against each of these three invoices. So we're going to come down here to the very bottom, make certain that we've selected the correct receipt register. Next, we're going to enter the check number that they've sent payment with, and then we're going to indicate the amount of the check. Next, we're going to distribute that $6,000 according to how the client would like to settle each of these balances. So on this first invoice, they have specified they would like to pay $2,000 on it. They also would like to pay an additional $2,000 on the second invoice listed. And then finally, on this last invoice, they would also like to pay $2,000 against it. So once we've accounted for every penny of that payment and distributed those funds on each of those invoices, now we're ready to post payment. And then it generates our receipt. So now, if the client were to ever contact us needing the invoicing information that they requested to pay a balance against, we actually have the ability to perform a search by that check number that we use to post those payments against each one of those invoices. So if you were to go to File, Accounts Receivable, the feature is called Find AR Check. So when you select that, you have the ability to filter out by a customer's name if you wish, or you can simply search by the check number that was used. Once you type in that check number and press the Show Info button, it will then list those same three invoices that we previously posted that $6,000 payment against. And here it will show you not only how much you posted against each invoice, but just for confirmation, will show you the total amount of the check. If the customer is requesting that you send them a copy of this information, you have the ability to print the results of this to email and or mail to the customer. Thank you for joining me today. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to RFMS's YouTube channel so that you never miss out on any of our future tips. I look forward to having you in next week's Tip of the Week. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you then.